Hey everyone, Leigh here from Martinuzzi Property Group. Whether you're looking for a charming cottage or a beautiful township location here on the Sunshine Coast, we've got you covered. I'm super excited to be taking you through this home today. Lovely family home, set here just walking distance from the Yandina township, 20 minutes from all the main attractions here on the Sunshine Coast. Let's go take a look inside. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you can see yourself living here in this beautiful home, make sure you come to one of our open homes or give us a call to come down for a private viewing. You're absolutely going to love it. At Martinuzzi Property Group, we're here proudly helping more locals on the Sunshine Coast live more fully, have more meaning and find more joy on their next property journey. We'll see you soon. Mum, no, I'm doing a photo shoot. Curry? Oh yeah, I'll be there for that. We'll see you soon.